up, everybody? This is Ace69, also known as Ace69 Gamer, and I am with Jasmine and Robert. Hey, Side Dog and Side Dog too. So on today's vlog, we are going to do a few things, and you guys are coming along with us for the ride. First, we are going to 7-Eleven. Since it's 7-Eleven, they're giving out free slushies. We're going a little late, but you know, we're gonna go get it anyway. It's still hot, so we can still get it. What flavor you want, Robert?
Watermelon.
We're gonna look for watermelon. Jasmine, do you know? She still doesn't know which one she wants. So we're gonna go get that. And we're also gonna go check out, we're looking into maybe getting a P.O. box. So we're looking into that. Two reasons: one for the YouTube, and also for our packages. Cause where we live, for some reason, our UPS driver that delivers always puts it at the wrong house and the wrong doorstep whenever I order something. Yeah, so we're gonna go check out that P.O. box. Maybe get that. Maybe we can do, you know, shout outs here and there. So, and after that, we're gonna go to Below 5. And because all Coco and all the dogs we have, they need Pampers. They need the little Pampers.
And then we're gonna get some
Trinity pants. And this little girl says she's gonna get something even though she don't have money. So no, you not.
Yes, we are.
Okay, so let's do this. Woo! So we just went to go get some Slurpees. I got this one, and Robert and Jasmine got the same. It's the Captain Crunch.
Yeah, because they said that they only had this one, the Captain Crunch, and the mandarina.
I've never heard of Captain Crunch flavor Slurpee, but it's not bad. What do you think, Robert? Is it good?
No.
It's not good? Then why are you drinking it? Oh, you eat chips? What about the little toy that you got at the 7-Eleven? Show it.
He got it in a blind bag because he got a bad guy. He wanted to get Batman, but instead he got a bad guy.
Yeah. So now we're gonna go to Below 5 real quick, get a few things, a few essentials that we need, and then from there maybe we go still check out. I still want to go check out the P.O. box. So we're going to go do that, those two things. And let's see what we can pick up. So let's go. Let's do this. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? Oh, yeah, I've seen those. It's kind of like the old school one. Skip it, skip it. Look, look, look. We're at Below 5 now. But now my kids are looking around looking to see if they want something.
Fingerling minis.
Fingerling minis.
Because I can't find them. Wow, look at that.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, that's for the water. Yeah.
I cover one.
Look over here, Robert.
I see
Look at over here, the hamburger kitty.
One of Robert said, one of the squishies that Robert has. He has like a big one, it's like an octopus.
Look at squishies.
He got it at Claire. No, Justice.
Look, come over here. We're gonna look at more stuff. Oh my god. I hope this trip to below 5 is wobble, tiny wobble.
Oh, tiny wobble ball.
Oh my god.
Look, they have like these like
To
water
chop.
ball traps. Oh yeah, but that's if you have like a pool. I'm doing it. And a donut.
And a donut. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm getting this. Ooh, I'm getting this. I am so getting this. Oh Lord. Snacks. Pop rocks. Pop rocks.
I love slime
Pop
liquor.
rocks. Sorry, I'm like a kid in the candy store too. Slime, what is it?
Liquor.
Slime liquor. You're not supposed to be drinking liquor. You're not 21. What's wrong with you? Sucker.
I want to try it, but I feel like it's sour. Daddy, I want to get this, but I feel like it's sour.
Well, that's up to you. See, if you want it, get it. Oh, look, the Mario.
I don't really like the ones that come in like these cubes because it's like
Robert, look at this one. Luigi.
wow.
It's Luigi.
They have gold. They have chocolate.
Gold coins
They have chocolate coins.
for your treasure.
Candy buttons. Candy buttons. These are mine. I've never tried candy buttons.
Oh, big lollipop.
Look, an ice cream lollipop. An ice cream lollipop.
Let's go look over here. See what else? Power Rangers. Oh, I'm just looking here. See if I see something.
Hey, what is it? Bar whistle.
It's okay. Robert, Batman. Batman. Robert got Batman. Robert found a Batman.
Look, this.
The Nickelodeon slime.
I got one from Nina, my friend. Remember? For her.
Oh, and there's this one, the slime glue. And look, rainbow slime.
I need this because this is.
Look, rainbow slime.
Oh, those you need to make like different cups of them.
Oh, look at this slime
I
shop.
need this because look, this is Lorax and I need that for my foot. That's what
Dr. Putty. Peculiar Putty. Putty. Yeah. Fun faces.
Look,
Magnetic mirror.
Lorax, so I can put it in the water.
Look at that, look at that. Ooh.
I don't want them to.
Woo.
Look at this.
Uh-huh. You can make your own squishy. You color your own color. Oh my goodness. So my kids went to the car. We were coming out of the big 5, below 5, whatever it's called. And I saw this, but I didn't want them to know that I got it. I'm gonna try to see if I can prank them. So I told them to wait for me in the car and I was gonna come back. I forgot something. So let's go check this out. See if I can scare them. It's a horn prank. Alright. Bear with me. And a lot of light. Think I can do it? I think so. Come on. 5 below, whatever it's called. Let's do this. So what did you get, Jasmine?
This squishy that you can put on your notebook, on your phone, or like on a computer. This Nickelodeon slime cake.
Okay.
Edible candy buttons.
Uh-huh. What did you get, Robert?
Wait!
Oh.
And then some borax powder for my so that way I can like
Yeah.
finally I can.
And Robert, what did you get? Batman. Cool.
Oh, and he also got this the Play-Doh PJ Masks.
Play-Doh PJ Masks. Nice.
Oh, and a bucket.
What did Daddy get? Nothing.
And a bucket.
Only. Got him! Got him! Got both of them! Give it to Robert. That's the end of this video. I was trying to get them, and I did. You saw Jasmine's face, and Robert was like, "What was that?" Come on, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Like this video. Comment, subscribe, share. Oh my God, I gotta make sure you hit the notification, subscribe, all that good stuff. Say subscribe, Robert. Robert, subscribe. Say subscribe. Subscribe. Jasmine, say subscribe. Did I get you? Woo! Short little prank, but I got him. I got him. It's all good. Thank you very much. This is Ace69 with Jasmine and Robert. And we... You tried it? And we are out of